Aloe Vera DIY Face Mask for Glowing Skin, Instant Fair Skin. How to get glowing skin? Having perfect clean and glowing skin is the dream of every woman. But not everyone's dream becomes true. Don't worry, there are some beauty secrets by which you can also get the skin of your choice. No, you don't need to go anywhere, just by using simple home remedies, i.e. DIY face mask or homemade face mask using natural ingredients. Aloe vera for skin. Aloe vera has always been known for its healing and beauty properties. Use of aloe vera for skin is very beneficial. It not only cleanses the skin deeply but also gives a perfect shine on the skin. Heals the damaged skin and makes it clear and smooth. Aloe vera face mask for instant fair and glowing skin. Here is a face mask for glowing skin. All the ingredients used in the mixture are natural and very much popular for skin care and are mostly used in beauty tips. Not only are this but easily available in every kitchen. Benefits of aloe vera face mask. This face mask heals your skin, cleanses it and gives your extra glow and shine, making your skin fair, soft and beautiful and fresh. It also removes acne marks and aging effects from skin. Makes you look wrinkle-free and young. Ingredients. Aloe vera gel, 2 inches or 2 tablespoons. Honey, 1 teaspoon. Rose water, a few drops. Turmeric, 1 pinch. Milk, 1 teaspoon. Preparation and usage method. Mix all the ingredients and blend them well in the form of paste. Apply the paste on your face and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. Then wash it off with water and look at your face in the mirror. It is glowing. And now you have glowing skin.